Okay, today is Sunday Fun Day. We're here moving our stuff to the new digs. So I figured I'd open up a box of, I can't even get the box open, a box of stuff. Let's see what we got in here. It says box 9, so it's like box 9 out of about 50. I don't know, maybe more. So let's see what we got. Oh boy, this thing's really in there tight. Okay, so a whole bunch of stuff in here. Okay, what we got? Sam and Twitch from Spawn. Kind of a cool box. Interesting set, I'd have to say. Then this is Spawn Solutions. We got a Zera. You know what? Hang on a second. Alright, it's a little better. I got rid of the glare. Okay, so here we got Zera. Another Spawn set. This is a cool one. The Urizen from Spawn. Also signed by Todd McFarlane. How about that guy, huh? He's heavy. This guy is, the Netherworld's nightmare comes true. I just like that little Todd McFarlane signature there. Okay. What else we got in here? Okay, Justice League. This is DC Direct. Tomorrow Woman. What else we got in here? Okay, this is The Flash and the Blue Beetle. The Blue Beetle and the Flash. The Beetle. Then we got the Classic Silver Age DC Direct. I like this box set. This is pretty cool. Batman and Robin, the Boy Wonder. So here's the back. It's got some other ones. Batgirl and the Joker. Dark Knight Strikes Again. The Bat Signal prop. Wouldn't mind having those. But I don't. I got this one. What else we got here? Flash Rogues Gallery. We got Captain Cold. Captain Cold. How about that? It's a Superman. These are all DC Direct. DC Comics. Looks like this has got a comic with it. What else we got here? Oh, this is a pretty cool one. This includes a diorama. Okay, Superman Steel. This looks like some sort of a robotic type of Superman. I'm not sure when did these come out. 2007. These are Mattel. So this is actually a diorama that you set up, as you can see in the back. I don't see these two out walking anymore. Bizarro. His Bizarro Superman with his own diorama. What else we got here? It's a Justice League. Justice League International is Ice. Okay, what else we got here? It's one of the Fatality. This is one of the Green Lanterns. Okay. Fatality includes fighting staff. Can't go anywhere without your fighting staff. Okay, hard traveling heroes. This is the Green Lantern himself. Right here. This is Hal Jordan, Green Lantern. And then we have Amazo. This is Justice League figure, Amazo. And what else we got? Power Girl from the Justice Society. Power Girl. What else we got here? Okay, Starfire. Got Starfire. What else we got here? The Green Arrow. Green Arrow, looking a little Nordic there, eh? So, Oliver Queen, The Green Arrow. What else we got? This is a cool one. I like this one. Martian Manhunter. Martian Manhunter. There's the back. What else we got here? There's a bunch of them in here. Phantom Lady. Phantom Lady. So, when did these ones come out? Let me see. I don't even think it's a date on here. Doesn't say. I'm not sure. This is a cool one. Batman and Superman. So this was put out 2003. Batman Superman. And Doomsday, the beloved Doomsday, and he's got his diorama. This is the ones with the diorama. Doomsday. Come winding down here. There's another Power Girl. So we got a dupe of a Power Girl. We got 2 Power Girls. Anybody need a Power Girl? And here's a little Supergirl. A little spicy outfit there, eh? A little midriff, a little mini skirt. Don't think people would like that. And here's another Power Girl. So we got 3 Power Girls. 3 different Power Girls. There's my little box number 9 to share with the world. Like, you can comment below or not. Thumbs down, thumbs up, F you, F me. Who cares? Just watch.